Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to enable the Vibrate feature for emergency alerts specifically on the X app, updated for the latest version. This is a super useful setting, especially if you want to make sure you don't miss critical emergency notifications without loud sounds disturbing you. Let's jump straight into it. First, grab your phone and open your device's settings. This is usually found as a gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll until you find the section called Apps and tap on it. Inside the Apps list, look for the X app. Tap on it to open its individual settings. Here you'll find various options related to the app, but what we're looking for is Notifications. Tap on that next. Now inside Notifications, you'll see multiple notification categories for X. The key here is to tap on Notification Categories. This will break down the types of alerts X sends you so you can customize them. Scroll through the list until you locate Emergency Alerts. This category controls all the urgent notifications related to emergencies coming from the X app. Once you've found Emergency Alerts, tap on it to access its detailed settings. Here, look for the option labeled Vibrate. It's typically a toggle switch. All you need to do is toggle Vibrate to on. This means that whenever you receive an emergency alert from X, your phone will vibrate to notify you discreetly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Vibrate feature for emergency alerts in the X app. This way, you stay informed about any urgent situations without the need for loud tones, perfect for those times when you want to stay alert, but keep things low-key. Remember, keeping emergency notifications on Vibrate can be a lifesaver, ensuring you never miss important alerts, even when your phone is on silent. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to keep these steps handy for future reference. Thanks for tuning in.